Hi guys, this is Tonya with Tonya's Tips, and I'm back with another video. Hi guys, I am back with a new video. Okay, so listen, all right. So I'm gonna start this video off with me getting back home right now, but this is the beginning of the video. So before the video starts, I want to say subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. That's that bell. Hit that bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, guys, to comment down below and with those nice sweet messages. And don't forget to give each and every video a big thumbs up, okay? So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Me on my trip to Houston, Texas. So you guys, I hope you enjoy it. I'm also going to give you guys a room tour, put as much as I can in this video of my days in Houston, Texas, which was very chill, very cool. So I love you guys for watching and stay tuned for this video. Bye guys. Alright, you guys, I have arrived at my hotel. This is what the lobby looks like. It is very, very pretty. Look at that pretty tree. I love it. It is gorgeous in here, you guys. Look how pretty this is. Beautiful room. I love it. And it's so quiet in here. The seating area, these chairs are amazing. Amazingly beautiful. This is the Hilton Hotel in Houston, Texas. It is beautiful. Look at this bench right here. Very, very pretty. And this is this big lounging couch over here, you guys. So pretty. Love it. It's gorgeous. Look how pretty this is. I love it. This is really, really pretty. This is the lobby of the Hilton Hotel. I'm in love with this tree. Gorgeous. And this lamp. All of the seating is so beautiful, and the carpet. So pretty. Over here they have some stairs. How pretty that is. In the corner back there is where you check in. So pretty in here. Alright guys, I am going to my room now. I'm gonna go over here to my room and go in to my room. This is my room, guys. I wanted to show you guys the room. This is the door I just entered. And then right here, we have like a little wet bar right here for your coffee and tea. They have a pretty picture here. And this is some drawers to put your clothing in. This is the closet right here. Open it up so you guys can see. That is the closet. And it just has like a safe in there and an iron and some hangers. This is very, very pretty hotel, you guys. This is the closet. And then if I go over here, you have bed number 1 right here. And I am so in love with the back wall. That beautiful artwork on the back wall is gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. And then they have a lamp with a little nightstand. Here's bed number 2. So pretty, you guys. Over here, they have a desk, a chair, and a mirror with a lamp. And out here, we have the city view of Houston. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little peek out here. Look how pretty that is. This is the city view. It's a little cloudy today. It said it was supposed to be sunshine today, you guys, but it's a bit cloudy outside. On my way here, it drizzled a little bit. But guys, that is the city, and look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Look at that sign that says thank you. So that is very, very pretty, you guys. This is the view from my room, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna bring you guys back out right here. At the desk, they have a nice little cute chair there. Garbage came in. And then over here, there's a seating area with a table and chair. And nothing's in that little corner back there, but this is the little chair right here and seating area. It is so, so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys the restroom. So if you guys come here, there's a glass door here, and I open it, and here is the restroom. In here, look at that beautiful, beautiful mirror, you guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous mirror. You know I'm gonna be doing my makeup in there. Here is the toilet right here, and extra stuff at the bottom, towels and toilet paper. And then you have right here some artwork on the wall, pretty lighting. That light right there helps you to be able to put your lashes on. Let me put my lashes on. This is a pretty long counter, you guys, and it has all of the soaps and shampoos and towels here, if you guys can see. And I'm gonna take it, this is the shower. Let me open that. You guys can see they have some towels there. And I'm gonna open the shower for you guys. You guys can see this shower. A nice little shower. Just something simple and light. Nice shower here. You guys can see. And I'm gonna take you back out here. I'll take you guys back out here. So if you come out here, you guys, you can see they have like a council table right here, like a little wet bar as well. They set up for water and the ice bucket. Then you have a television right here on the wall with also some artwork right here, and then that's the front door. So you guys, this room is really, really cozy. The carpet is very pretty and clean. The room is very, very cozy, very, very pretty. This is at the Hilton Hotel in Houston, Texas. It's simple, but it's so pretty and clean in here. It smells clean. It's fresh. You can tell that they really did a good job with cleaning the room, you guys. So this is where I will be staying for the next couple of days that I am here. So guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little room tour so you guys can see my little room that I'll be staying in. Reggie and I are here in Houston, and we'll be staying here in this cute little cozy room. Alright, you guys, so right now I am gonna go and get my bag so we can get settled in. Alright, Reggie, let's get our bags. What floor was on? First floor. We gotta go to first floor, right? We're on the first floor. For Reggie, guys. So Reggie is with me. We are on. This elevator is like really, really fast. Do you guys hear it? It's so fast. So you guys, that is it for this room tour. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys in this vlog. Bye guys. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this room tour. The room tour was very, very pretty. It was just a simple room. That's all they had left because it was last minute. But Reggie and I was very, very comfortable in our room. The people there at the Hilton was Very, very sweet, very, very nice. They checked in on us constantly. The beds were comfortable. They made sure we had everything we need. Checkout was easy. Checking in was easy. So, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this small little room tour. I might put this room tour, it might not be with the rest of the other videos. So, I'm just going to say, I hope you guys like it and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications, and don't forget to what? Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to give each and every video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to tell all your family and friends about Tonya's tips, and to come see me back over here, guys. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.